How to Ultra Bright Advanced Water Clarifier. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's Ultra Bright Advanced Water Clarifier. Leslie's Ultra Bright Advanced Water Clarifier clears up ugly, cloudy pool water in your pool and filtration system, leaving your pool sparkling clean. As a powerful environmentally friendly water clarifier, Leslie's Ultra Bright Advanced Water Clarifier attacks contaminants in your pool's water by coagulating the smallest of particles, including dust, oils, and other unhealthy algae for your filter to remove them, creating a healthier and welcoming swimming environment. Routine usage directions. 1. Balance the pH in your pool. It should be between 7.4 and 7.6. Determine your pool's volume. Add the correct amount of clarifier according to your pool's volume. 2. Turn on the pool filter and run it as much as you can until your pool is clear. Clean the pool filter and get back to enjoying your pool. Useful tips. 1 small dosage of Ultra Bright is enough to make your water look clean and polished. Being an organic compound, this clarifier is safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. That means that it won't cause swimmers any skin or eye irritation and allows you to get back in the pool right after its dosage. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.